Ready to dive into the abyss? Let's rank the rarest deep sea fish from least rare to the ultimate ghost of the deep. Starting at number 7, the giant oarfish.
Ever heard of a real-life sea serpent? Meet the oarfish, the longest bony fish in the world. These incredible creatures, also known as the king of herrings, can grow up to a staggering 11 meters long. Imagine a giant, silvery ribbon gliding through the deep ocean. Their bodies are super flat and covered in a reflective skin that shimmers, not scales. And get this, a brilliant red dorsal fin runs the entire length of their body, topped with a long, majestic crest on their head. They look like something straight out of a legend. Oarfish are deep-sea dwellers, usually found between 200 and 1,000 meters down. They often swim vertically, with their heads pointing up, which is a truly bizarre sight. Despite their massive size, they're totally harmless, feeding only on tiny krill and zoop. So, the next time you hear tales of sea monsters, you might just be hearing about the elusive and beautiful oarfish.
Next, the viperfish and
Ever heard of a fish that looks like it swam straight out of a nightmare? Let me introduce you to the Viperfish, or Culiadus loani. This deep-sea hunter is famous for its monstrous fangs, so long they can't even fit inside its mouth. Living thousands of feet deep in the dark ocean, the Viperfish has a slender, dark body covered in light-producing organs called Its most famous feature is a glowing lure on its back, which it dangles in front of its massive jaws to attract unsuspecting prey like small fish and crustaceans. This creature is a master of ambush. It hangs motionless in the water, waiting for a meal to get close, then strikes with lightning speed. Its hinged jaw and expandable stomach allow it to swallow prey larger than itself. Don't worry, though, despite its terrifying looks, it's only about a foot long. The viperfish is a true marvel of deep-sea adaptation.
Fangtooth.
Ready to meet the most fearsome-looking fish in the deep sea. This is the Fangtooth, a creature straight out of your nightmares. But don't worry, it's only about 6 inches long. Its scientific name is Anaplugaster cornuta, and its claim to fame is having the largest teeth relative to its body size of any fish in the ocean. These fangs are so huge they can't even close their mouth properly without special sockets in their brain to store them. Living thousands of feet deep in total darkness, the Fangtooth is a master of survival. Its dark, scaleless skin provides perfect camouflage, and a super-sensitive lateral line helps it detect prey. It's a cetandweight predator, lunging at anything that comes close and swallowing it whole. Interestingly, juvenile Fangtooths look so different from adults. They were once thought to be a separate species. Small but mighty, the Fangtooth is a true marvel of deep-sea adaptation.
Moving up, the dragonfish.
Ever wondered what real-life monsters lurk in the ocean's midnight zone? Meet the deep-sea dragonfish, a creature straight out of a sci-fi movie. These amazing fish, part of the Stomidae family, live thousands of meters below the surface. Te avalanc, eel-like bodies, dark, scaleless skin, and a huge mouth filled with needle-sharp, transparent teeth. The most famous feature is a glowing lure that dangles from their chin, which they use to attract unsuspecting prey in the total darkness. What's truly unique is their ability to produce and see red light, something most other deep-sea animals can't detect. This gives them a secret, invisible spotlight to hunt with. They are solitary, ambush predators, perfectly adapted to the crushing pressure and cold of the deep ocean. From their expandable stomachs to their stealthy camouflage, the dragonfish is a true master of the abyss.
Then, the famous anglerfish.
Ever wonder what lurks in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean? Let me introduce you to the anglerfish, one of nature's strangest creations, living in the midnight zone, thousands of meters below the surface. These fish have a look that's truly out of this world. Their most famous feature is the glowing lure that dangles from their head, like a built-in fishing rod. This light isn't from the fish itself, but from tiny bioluminescent bacteria living inside the lure, which it uses to attract unsuspecting prey in the pitch-black darkness. But their hunting is nothing compared to their mating habits. The tiny male anglerfish finds a much much larger female, bites onto her, infuses his body with hers for life. He becomes a permanent sperm provider, sometimes with several other males attached. It's one of the most extreme examples of sexual dimorphism on the planet, from their ghoulish looks to their bizarre lifestyle. The anglerfish is a true testament to the weird and wonderful adaptations of deep-sea life.
Our runner-up is the tripod fish.
Have you ever heard of a fish that stands on the ocean floor like a tripod? Meet the Bathyptoroa, better known as the tripod fish. This deep-sea marvel lives thousands of meters below the surface, in the dark, crushing pressure of the abyssal zone. Its most striking feature is its 3 incredibly long fins, 2 from its pelvis and 1 from its tail, which it uses as stilts. These fins allow it to rest on the soft seafloor, elevated above the mud. But why does it do this? The tripod fish is a clever sit-and-wait predator. Facing into the current, it uses its other long, sensitive fins like antennas to feel for vibrations from tiny prey like crustaceans and zooplankton drifting by. When something tasty comes close, it snaps it up. Wheat-eat's pale, slender body and small eyes, the tripod fish has perfected the art of energy conservation, remaining almost completely motionless for hours. It's a true master of survival in one of the planet's most extreme environments.
And the number 1 rarest deep-sea fish? The Barreleye.
Ever heard of a fish with a see-through head? Meet the incredible Barreleye fish, one of the ocean's weirdest and most wonderful creatures. This deep-sea marvel lives in the near-total darkness of the midnight zone, about 600 to 800 meters down. So, what's with the transparent head? It's a fluid-filled dome that protects its super-sensitive eyes. And here's the crazy part. You can actually see its eyes rotating inside. Normally, its barrow-shaped eyes point straight up, scanning for the faint silhouettes of prey against the dim light from above. When it spots a meal, like a small crustacean or jellyfish, it rotates its eyes forward and swims up to grab it. The Barreleye is a master of stealth, often hanging motionless in the water. It even steals food from jellyfish-like siphonophores, and its clear shield protects its eyes from their stinging tentacles. This fish is a true testament to the bizarre adaptations found in the deep sea.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more deep-sea wonders.